In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enter into or enable safe mode on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So you can select the Start menu button and then select the Power button. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard and select Restart. Once it says please wait, you can release pressure on the Shift key. If you're unable to boot onto your Toshiba device, you can just do a hard power off 3 times in a row, and that will also open up the troubleshooting menu we're about to be greeted by. On this page where it says choose an option, select troubleshoot, reset your PC or see advanced options, and then select advanced options. Select startup settings, change Windows startup behavior, and then select restart, and give that a moment. And once this page loads, you have the option to select F4 to enable safe mode, or you can do F5 or F6 if you want to enable safe mode with networking or with just a command prompt. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.